Hello everyone and welcome back. Here we are going to work on example 2 for the laws of indices we've been covering so far. So here there's not much talking to do rather than dive into the water and explore this problem. So I'm going to separate this a bit, and then what I'll do now. Okay, let's work with this ink. So this whole thing expression here would give us, first of all, we'll have 5 to the 7 power. The first thing we do is to make sure we break down the powers into prime factors. So here you have 5 to the 7 power, and then you're multiplying this by, so this ink is not nice to look at from here. Okay. This one is softer. So we have 5 to the 7th power, but then the 12 will be written as 3 times 4, or 3 times 2 to the second power, all to the power of 4. The 32, of course, will be 3, not 3, but 2. Wait, but 2 to the 5th power, all to the power of 2. And then everything here will be, I have to take this out. Everything here will then become, I'm not using this times. Everything here will then become 3 to the 4 power, because this 2 has to take square of each of these terms here, just as we explained in the videos on the laws of indices. And this should be 4 to the 4th power multiplying by 5 to the 2nd power, and everything will be divided by, this is 3 to the 10th power multiplied by 15, but we'll write this as 3 times 5 to the 10th power multiplied by 2 to the power of 3 times 10, 30. So all this will equal, what we'll have here is, we'll first of all write down our 5 to the 7th power. Then this will be 3 to the 4th power, 2 to the 8th power, and then this should be 2 to the 10th power. Since 5 times 2 is 10, this should be then be 3 to the 4th power, and this 4 to the 4th power is 2 to the power of 8. Is 2 to the power of 8, because 4 to the 4th power is something as 2 to the 2 raised power of 2, or to the 4th power, which is 2 times 2, 2 to the power of 8. So this then would then be equal, multiplying by 5 to the power of 2, all divided by 3 to the 10th power times 3 to the 10th power times 5 to the 10th power times 2 to the 30th power. Of course, this 10th and this 10th, they distribute. Okay, wait. Let's see. So what this should give us, why I'm using different ink here, is that I don't want us to confuse the terms. Now let's see. We are going to group the 5 together. So there 2, the exponent is 2 plus 7. So this is 5 to the power of 9. And we're going to see if we can group the 3's. 3 here, 3 here. This is 4 plus 4, 8. So this is 3 to the 8th power. The reason we are doing so is that it does not matter which order we multiply the terms. So to save our time, we simply bring the powers together and add their exponent. Now here this is 18 plus 8, that is 24. 24, 26. Yeah, this 10 plus 8, 18 plus 8, 24, 26. Yes, so this is 26, all divided by 10 plus 10, 23 to the power of 20, 5 to the power of 10, to the power of 30. So this will then be equal to, first of all, we'll do start with 5. 5 to the power of 9 minus 10. 3 to the power of 8 is above here. So it is 8 minus 20. 2, this is 26 minus 30. So everything will then give us a sum total of 5 to the negative 1 power, 3 to the negative 12 power, and then 2 to the negative 4 power. We better work with positive and then write everything as 1 over 5 times 3 to the 12 times 2 to the 4th power, and we can leave this as this. So this is the simplest form this expression can get. There is nothing much there. It's just application of the laws of indices, a careful application of it, I would say. uh, you just go through it if you are not videos where we worked on the laws of indices. Here we are just applying the laws, is just applying the laws. So thank you for watching, and if you enjoy my content,